大家好，我係 Mr. Manso， 今日會為大家講呢就係 S5 嘅 Worksheet Ex15.3 Q10。OK， 咁就係講 combination 同埋 permutation 嘅啦。睇睇題目咯。There are 6 engineers and 9 technicians in a construction site. Part A. In how many ways can 3 engineers and 2 technicians be selected to conduct a safety survey? 好，根據題目呢，我哋呢就要抽2次獎嘅，一次呢就喺 engineer 嗰度，即係啲工程師裏面抽1次獎啦，另一次呢就喺嗰9個 technician 裏邊呢抽2個嘅人出嚟嘅。咁當然啦，我唔會懷疑你唔知道係6C3同埋9C2啦。而家問題嚟係呢兩個到底加減乘除呢？當然係乘啦。我哋嘅理解就係總之你抽獎，我哋就係過關，過關就係乘啊。好簡單啦，6C3就係20。9C2就係36，乘埋呢就係720，搞掂咗 Part A 咯。睇埋 Part B 啦。Find the number of ways of selecting and interviewing 3 engineers and 2 technicians one by one。我哋揾咗啲5個人之後呢，我哋又要同佢去做 interview 啦 ，interviewing 啊嘛。咁點樣處理呢種數係最好呢？我哋就諗一個 two layers 嘅方法，同我哋上堂嗰一條係差唔多嘅。我哋上堂嗰陣時候呢，就有啲蛋糕要揀啦，揀完啲蛋糕我哋要排呢一行俾人睇嘅。咁我哋就話啦，咁我哋就 two layers 啦，就係第一重呢，我哋就係先去揀蛋糕，第二重呢，就同嗰6個蛋糕去排隊。咁我哋嗰條當然個2重就係先揀人呢，就係揀咗3個 engineer 同埋2個嘅 technician 啦。咁即係好似 part A 嗰度其實做咗噶啦。然之後將啲5個人呢，就再排隊。OK。咁由於呢，我哋咁樣做呢，其實同抽2次獎係冇分別嘅，所以呢，我哋第一關做完嘅嘢之後呢，就乘埋落第2關嗰度。所以簡單啲嚟講，根本就將 Part A 做完嘅答案再乘多次5撇，咁即係720乘120啦。咁個答案呢，就係86,400啦。咁又話講完呢一條啦，多謝大家，拜拜。